Some rivers hold secrets, but the Rainbow River, she shows them to you in full color. Here in Dunnellon, Florida, the locals will tell you, this river has a mind of her own. Some say she's older than the trees. Others swear she sings if you float long enough. Either way, one thing's true. She's got personality. Countless adventurers have drifted these waters, from chatty tourists to day-off dads, from paddleboard warriors to that one cousin who always falls off his tube twice before the bridge. We've all been there. But whether you're braving the bends like a river explorer or drifting at 2 miles an hour like a Florida manatee on vacation, you feel something here. Something ancient. Legend says the Rainbow River was created when the sun dropped one of its rays into the earth. And rather than burn, it blossomed into a spring so clear, even the fish feel naked. And trust me, they are very aware we can see them. Locals swear the water has healing powers, not the grow wings and fly kind. But the wash away your stress, your worry, and the 3 things you forgot at Publix kind. For Flying High in Florida and all the locals, this river is more than a destination. It's a lifeline, a treasure. A place where childhood memories grow like cypress roots, deep, tangled, and impossible to forget. Every bend tells a story, every splash holds a laugh, every patch of shimmering water whispers an invitation. Come on, float with us. People travel from all over the world to float here, but the river doesn't belong to any of us. We belong to her. So drift freely, laugh loudly, and leave gently, because this isn't just water. This is Dunnellon's story. This is the Rainbow River.